Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Photosmart Premium device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean jammed paper, how to fix jammed paper on this printer. So firstly, you need to open the cover of the printer, but not the cover from the scanner, but the cover from the entire part of the printer. So open it, and here you will be able to see the part of the paper, and if you see it, you just need to close the cartridges bar and then just take the paper out. But if you can't, so you need to do the other thing. So close the printer, rotate it, and of course you need to disable it from power source. So disable it from power source, and here you will see this part of the printer, and we need to take it out. To do it, you just need to push it to the left and just take it out, and here you will see the part of paper, and you just need to take it out. So that's it. Now just insert this part to the printer again in this way, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.